Hey, this is Kamil and you're watching Kam-Dzyn. I'm planning something new to teach you, and that is video animation, video writing animation. Basically, it's called whiteboard animation. Okay, so what you have to do, I can't share this software here. If you want to this software, then contact me on Instagram. I will provide that software there, or I will tell you the method how can you download it. Then I will try to make tutorial on this particular software. It is very useful software. By it you can easily make various kind of informative animation video for any kind of purpose for YouTube. And subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get triple T tips, trick and tutorial. Okay, so see you in next video.